Do you want to know how you can join Perplexity.ai's Discord channel? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join Perplexity.ai's channel in Discord. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Perplexity.ai. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, and then you can see that Perplexity.ai opens up. You can log into your account and then you can see the Discord sign over here. Go ahead and click this link over here or the sign over here, and it will open up a separate page from which you can log into Perplexity. So go ahead and choose your name, press continue, and then you must verify if you are human or not. Go ahead and click on it and then choose the photos crafted by humans as it says, so the puzzle might be different at all times. Go ahead and click verify, wait for a while, and you can see that you have now joined Perplexity AI's Discord channel. So go ahead and log into your account or create your account, and then you will join the Perplexity AI's Discord channel. So all you need to do is click on this link. It will lead you to this page over here, and then you will log in. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.